Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. So first, check the volume and the mute settings. So make sure that your volume is up. You guys can customize it here and focus on the media volume because this is what you use for your videos, music, and etc. So now check if your phone is not in silent or do not disturb mode. So go over to settings. Here I'll show you guys. Basically go to sound and vibration. Now make sure that your phone is not set on mute but it's set on sound. And now scroll a bit down until you guys see do not disturb here. And now make sure that do not disturb is also disabled. Now, if it didn't help, then try restarting your phone by pressing the volume down and the power button at the same time. Now click restart and tap the icon again. So I'll see you guys once the phone restarts. So now after restarting the phone, go over and check for Bluetooth connections. So go over settings, here click connections, and now click Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is either disabled or that no device is connected to your phone. So now you can check for app specific issues. So try and listen to music on Spotify, SoundCloud, Apple Music, whatever you want. Then go over and watch a video on YouTube or try and call somebody. And if the speaker is not working in a specific app, then try and force close and reopen the app. Then you can try and clear the cache, and if the app is still not producing any sound, then try reinstalling it. Now you guys can test it with different apps like YouTube video or a song, as I said, and if the speaker works in one app but not in others, then it may be an app specific issue. So now, if it didn't help you, go over and try to do a software update if you're not running the latest version. So scroll down, go to software update. Now here click download and install. And here make sure that your software is up to date. And if there's an update available, then install it and check if the speaker starts working. Now, what you guys can do is try and clean the speaker grill, because dirt, dust or debris may be blocking the speaker grill, affecting sound quality or preventing sound altogether. So gently clean the speaker holes using a soft cloth, soft brush or compressed air. I use the third one. And be careful not to push dirt further into the speaker holes, because it will only make the situation much worse. Now what you guys can do is check for physical damage. So if your phone has been dropped or exposed to water, then there could be some physical damage to the speaker. So inspect the speaker grill for any visible damage, and if you suspect one and you cannot see it, then you may need to visit the authorized service center for further inspection and professional diagnosis. So now if the issue keeps happening only during calls, then you guys can reset the phone by going to About Phone, going to Reset, and now clicking on Reset Mobile Network. It should help, and if it won't help, then as a last resort, click Factory Data Reset. Now make sure that all of your data is backed up first. So now click reset here, enter your pattern or any password if you have one, and then click delete all. Now if the issue is still here even after the factory data reset, then you need to contact the Samsung support or visit the service center for further diagnostics and repair. So thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and a comment. Bye.